guys, welcome back to Science Kids, and today I'm gonna talk to you about volcanoes, and we're gonna do an experiment at the very end. But also at Christmas, I got this box, and it's a present from Volcano, and it has a volcano set, which I would do today, and I got some glass. So first you'll need a tray in the box. In the experiment, then a base plate like this. I'll just say it's a cone with the head chopped off with the tail outside with the rim. And then we need citric acid, okay? So don't do this experiment at home without a supervisor. I have the filmer behind, so he'll help me show me. And then baking soda. Now I know you also all have baking soda at home, so you can still do this at home, but except for citric acid. And in the set, these are pigments. You have a blue pigment, a red pigment, a green pigment, and a yellow pigment. Yeah, that's yellow. Now we're only gonna need the red pigment. First, in the instructions, they said that put the volcano inside of the tray. Put these on the side. And then next, you add a spoonfuls of citric acid. Now, I think I need a spoon. So, open the box. Again, this is gonna take. There we go. And spoon. Here, 2 spoonfuls of citric acid. I need scissors. Oh, goodness. Oh, look, there's uh-oh. This is bad. Citric acid spilled everywhere now. Oh no. This much citric acid. This bit of baking soda. Spoon, and then you need 10 milliliters of red pigment on it. These gloves are crazy. I think I need to get them out for now. I'm trying to make this as short as I could, but I forgot to prepare stuff before. Red pigment. It could be like red food coloring. Come on. It's fizzing. So that's why you need gloves. Anyway, count it down in 3. Eruption in 3, 2, 1. I think this is. Whoa! Cool. means. Oh my god. Whoa, that's awesome. It's Volcano. Oh, and Jeffrey's in the laundromat machine. And this is how it works. The carbon dioxide produced by the chemical reaction between baking soda and citric acid makes the water or detergent water at the top of the volcano bubble up. Therefore, the spillover will flow along the slope of the volcano to the tray, as you saw in that eruption. I sure have to wear those gloves. Anyways, please like and subscribe in this video, and it's me, Nick, wearing goggles, and hope you like this video.